people might come from different perspectives, like where
Hmm.
there is like it's a balancing act where on one hand, like you have to live your life. And if you come
Hmm.
from like a super frugal background where
Yeah.
maybe you come from a position where there was like financial insecurity in your household,
Hmm.
or even if your parents are like just super strict with money, where it's like you were fine financially, but you kind of were taught this like money scarcity where like it could all be
Yeah.
taken away from you at a moment. It's like that's that has its own problems as being a crazy spender who all your money disappears every paycheck and
Yeah.
you don't know where it goes. And like at the end of the day, like what you want to do is you want your money to work for you, and you want to control money and not have money control you. When you're on either end of the spectrums, money is controlling you. It's like you should be using money to get more peace of mind mentally and emotionally, not having it be the thing that causes you to get like wound up in a tizzy on either end.